6. Lego Batman Legacy of the Dark Knight crashing, not launching, black screen and fatal error on PC. 1. Restart your PC. Close the game and launcher completely. Restart your computer normally. Restart your computer normally. Launch the game again afterward. 2. Verify game files. Open Steam or Epic Games Launcher. Go to Lego Batman Game Properties. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. 3. Update graphics drivers. Install latest NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel GPU drivers. Use Clean Installation option if available. Restart your PC after updating. 4. Run the game as administrator. Right-click the game shortcut or .exe file. Select Run as administrator. Also run Steam Epic Launcher as administrator. 5. Disable overlays and background apps. Disable Discord overlay and Xbox Game Bar. Close MSI Afterburner, OBS, and RGB software. Stop unnecessary startup applications. 6. Install DirectX and Visual C++. Install latest DirectX runtime. Reinstall Microsoft Visual C++ redistributables. Restart your PC afterward. 7. Delete corrupted cache and config files. Press Windows R, type sent local app data sent, and press enter. Delete Lego Batman cache config files carefully. 8. Disable full screen optimizations. Right-click the game executable file. Open Properties, Compatibility. Enable Disable Full Screen Optimizations. 9. Lower graphics settings. Launch the game in windowed mode. Reduce graphics and shadow settings. Disable ray tracing or advanced effects if available. 10. Reinstall the game if issue continues. Uninstall Lego Batman completely. Delete leftover games, cache files manually. Install a fresh copy of the game again.